The temperature is holding steady at 4 degrees.
Okay, I've cross-referenced the health certificate and the origin report. Everything matches the manifest.
Keep it steady now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Thermal reading is stable. We are clear.
Industrial weighing stations equipped with German-engineered precision weighing systems accurate to 50 grams.
Texture analysis station utilizes high-resolution digital microscopy systems, magnifying surface structure 50x, allowing a female inspector to
Defect mapping workstation utilizes AutoCAD-based leather mapping systems with defect marking tools, allowing a male South Asian
The data clearly shows the thickness profiles are failing spec V.20.
And the defect distribution highlights
First stage washing operation begins as workers load approximately 500 kilograms of alligator hides.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates multi-stage filtration systems, combining mechanical screens.
Primary rinse cycle initiates as 3,500 liters of fresh water floods the drum containing the pre-washed alligator hides.
See this spot right here? We need targeted cleaning on this hide before it advances.
Specialized spot cleaning station features high-pressure washing equipment delivering 120 bar, generating focused cleaning power through adjustable nozzles with fan spray patterns. Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing protease enzymes at 0.5% concentration, breaking down protein residues.
We'll need to adjust the chemical concentrations. The current process isn't fully removing the contaminants from the folds.
Mechanical dewatering operation employs industrial centrifugal watering machines, spinning at 800 RPM, carefully processing the thoroughly cleaned alligator hides.
This one is clear. Go ahead and stamp it. All right, but this one here, I'm tagging for return.
pH is stable at 7.2, chemicals are below 50 ppm, and moisture is good. Excellent. Go ahead and authorize the release for liming.
The hide is fully saturated now. Temperature is 21 Celsius.
Noted. Proceed to the next vat.
Alligator hides remain fully immersed in the soaking solution for 12 to 16 hours, while paddle-style mechanical
Liming processing begins as East Asian female workers load batches of 400 to 500 kilograms rehydrated alligator hides.
The ongoing chemical reaction as the alkaline liming solution works on alligator hide surfaces, loosening the hair.
The limbing process approaches completion as drum rotation gradually slows and stops, allowing hides to settle while operators.
Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations process alligator leather through mechanical removal of subcutaneous.
Advanced fleshing and splitting operations continues in the specialized processing area, where alligator hides
Advanced fleshing and splitting operations continues in the specialized processing area, where alligator hides undergo.
Professional fleshing and splitting operations proceeds as skilled operators manage the alligator. Our advanced methodologies ensure every hide meets rigorous standards. The chromium stabilization process.
Check the chromium levels on drum 3. Stable at 2.2, moving to the neutralization phase.
Maintain the chromium bath temperature precisely.
Confirmed. The stabilization looks perfect for the premium grade.
The chromium levels are stable within the 563 parameters.
Confirmed. The automated scan shows perfect consistency across the hide.
At advanced crowd-immersing soft processing using processing oil, where applies or cyanide, where neutralization.
The chromium levels are stabilizing right on target.
Good. The laser scan on the last batch showed perfect consistency.
Check the penetration on this green.
Looks good. Moving it to the spectrophotometer now.
Also, good Del snare operations finding differentials process tail alligator levy through pigment penetration and chloration.
The saturation levels are holding steady at 99.5%. We're getting perfect penetration on the ventral scales.
Check the caliper reading again. It must be precise.
It's holding steady at 5.84, perfectly uniform across the meter. As you can see on the touchscreen, the color uniformity is exact.
Yes, the spectrophotometer confirms the match.
In our comprehensive testing laboratories, our leather technicians apply decades of industry expertise, ensuring industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations process alligator leather through moisture removal and
advanced softening.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues using industrial-grade equipment and automation systems.
Industrial-scale softening and mechanical processing operations process alligator leather through fiber manipulation and texture.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area. Hides under
parameters are within specification. Proceed with assembly.
Advanced quality rolling cheese and user bit sleeves interior. The specialist documentaries.